Alright, we're back at the boat. We didn't get to work on her yesterday because it rained pretty much all day. So today I went to Harbor Freight and picked up this ratcheting crimping tool, some marine heat shrink that has some adhesive lining in it, and some watertight heat shrink butt connectors with some adhesive in it. And we are going to redo all of these connectors here. And if you can see that, the wire, you can actually see exposed wire there. So our wires probably got all corroded and it's not passing enough current or whatever to actually activate the trim. So we're going to see if that fixes our problem. I talked or sent an email to Indmar and they got right back to me and gave me all the information on the motor. This is a 5.7 liter 350 GM. That makes about 310 horsepower. It's actually an Indmar Assault 310 motor. The trim pump sitting on top of the carburetor because its mount is all rusted out. It should be right back in there. So we'll have to find a new mount for it. I redid those connections there. We are going to bypass this connector and see if that gets it to work. I'm probably going to check the impeller tomorrow, see how that is, and we'll clean that up a little bit more. We'll continue troubleshooting the trim issue, and yeah, that's where we're at. Looks like we might be a little bit low on fluid, so we'll add some ATF to that. See if we can't get her to work. We'll see.